whom it may concern, especially you, Migfoz, the devilish one. Approximately 13 hours ago, someone was taken from us. DBS Fearless, one of the greatest soldiers the bomb squad has ever known. Her sacrifices will never be forgotten. But now is not the time for mourning. Now is the time for action. Know this, Migfoz, know this, Face Punch. We know your bias against machinima artists. We know your bias against blue members. We know all of your dirtiest secrets. And we will not rest until the Face Punch Empire comes crashing down and we have established a new world order in which iPod advertisements are everything.